Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm leaving you for one day and Bitcoin jumps from 52 to 55,000. Not that I'm complaining. We need to talk about the rumors behind this price action, and also I want to show you another confirmation which could enable, confirm or make this Bitcoin movement a fake out. My name is Sabi and I'm here to help you with crypto. So if you like crypto, consider subscribing. Let's start. Before we dive in, the usual user VPN. If you don't have one, find one in the description. If you want to get in contact with me, Twitter, Discord, everything is in the description. You can find all the links there. We are at the Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see, we came back to the 54,000 from the almost 56,000, which is obviously a healthy price movement. Bitcoin just had a 7% rally, if you can call that a rally, but we are not out of the bushes, to be honest, because Bitcoin just confirmed or surpassed the September all-time high. I'm talking only about this part of the year all-time high, not the 64,000. Trader experts say that Ethereum is always a confirmation for a bull run. Now we know that you can't really always apply stock markets with crypto, but they rhyme, let's say. And they say that in order to be considered this a fake out, we need to watch two important things. One is that Bitcoin remains above this support, because now this has become a support and it was a very important resistance, therefore it is a very good sign that it broke through. The other one is Ethereum. Ethereum didn't go through its September high, but Bitcoin did. Now, for confirmation, just to be 100% sure that this is not a fake out for Bitcoin and it's not a dead cat bounce, we would need Ethereum to also go over the September high, and that would be surpassing 4,000, which is very, very close to the all-time high, which is the 4,300. So this is what I'm watching right now. But as Bitcoin starts to correct itself and maybe will go sideways for a couple of days, maybe 2-3 weeks, I am expecting altcoins to start pushing, and as you could see, Shiba Inu already did. Obviously that wasn't because of the market or the markets or the altcoins reaction to the market. It was because Elon Musk again tweeted something, and it's just hilarious. I just hate these meme coins, but it doesn't matter. Right now Bitcoin probably will go sideways for some time, and that will give alts some kind of room to grow. Now, it is not too easy, but if we check Bitcoin's dominance, you can see that after it went up to the 45.2%, it already came down to 44. That means that after Bitcoin charged and went up, the money started to flow back into the altcoins, and that is why after a Bitcoin run, altcoins are also growing. But in the meantime, Bitcoin shouldn't crash. So this is what we need to watch, and we obviously need to see above $4,000 level from Ethereum. Okay, let's also touch Elrond here, because Elrond is accumulating. We can see on the chart that it is accumulating hard, and it is doing it for some time now. If we check it from the all-time high, that is 23 days, almost a month. We have this sideways movement, this bounce back and forth, and I think sooner or later, considering that the coins are leaving the exchanges, I think we can expect a good jump or a good rally from Elrond, and that is what I'm looking for. So if I would like to measure again my price target, and then now I can just put it somewhere here. My price target right now is $400 for Elrond, and I think if it breaks out and starts to push, we will reach it in a matter of days. We will see, obviously. Now, what are the rumors which could be behind this Bitcoin jump? Well, one of them is that on 18th of October, they are expecting a Bitcoin ETF. The problem is, not a problem, but it would be better if this wouldn't be a futures ETF. If it would be a spot ETF, that would mean that companies or institutions who wants to offer ETF to their clients, they would need to have the actual tokens. Now, with the futures ETF, they don't need to have the actual token. They only need to have the dollar backing for the, let's say, the betting of the price goes up or goes down. Nevertheless, this is a very good initiative. This is something what Gary Gensler wants. This is not what we want. I think if we can start with this and yeah, there will be no big hiccups, we might be able to see an actual Bitcoin spot ETF in the future. Right now we have to accept what we have, and this is still not bad. And also the statement from Gary Gensler that he doesn't want to ban crypto at all, that's also obviously good news. The last news, which is, I think it's even more important, however it doesn't have that big effect, or maybe these two having in common, that MoneyGram, which has 2 billion customers worldwide, launches the USDC settlement using the Stellar blockchain. Now this means that MoneyGram, and if you don't know it, it's something like Western Union, will offer USDC to their clients. They will be able to send USDC as well. Therefore, it is another exposure for the new clients, for the potential new clients in crypto. And this is what we need. We need more people involved in crypto, because it seems that the volumes are not enough for another big push, and we need the retail and we need the institutions to create some volume, to create some buying pressure in order to have this second leg up, and in order to go for the 100 and 200s and 300s what people are expecting, and some of the experts, the optimist ones, are predicting. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the content. If you did, smash the like button, and I see you tomorrow.